Eterekina lemitunga luko kata kuika langir na alosita ojau adumuna kipinwela ete kwa ngini bian koto motemo lilim atupito ne President Jessica Lupo Epel ne siabwiri amun kederionget loka Welt Hanga Hilfe aitegara kipinwa paipono kanwe districta. Akaulo aimani manane asipokini taitanka lo koto molilim Vice President Alupo ne siya yala manoi Nigeria ngete kiata kite danoebe ekoto kwa na kese teorite danoi aipira kina gilo no koron lo kata kuinepeka karamoja kanui kiarin.
You the chief of water, that commander, I always gave him a microphone and he said that there are points between Teso and Karamoja which need boreholes urgently, so that this cut-off thefts which have stopped for 4 months can now stop forever.
Kotemo lilimne biane tegerera koreo na Akipi nwa paipo etankalo ilikori Akipi ne peta ilita ya kisa kanyoni kanyare kitoso maisawan kanyoni kerelo aparan kanwa mashi Akipi nesa dauna sipokin kopekwana ile reali ipu kopekwana keso woketa Akipi kokali akech atita ikito no lapa lotomontere ne tegerera etacha piai itungalwe departe namba kulukumini yare anatarikata kui keselo setai medown uka Akipi kano ilo dabobo itemona luka odoto kapujan kapalam kesibia na potite gasa dumuna agilon koryongete loka Welt Hanga Hilfe.
A lot of investment has been put in ensuring water people in Katakwi have access, but there are concerns on operational maintenance. If we do not observe operational maintenance of these wash facilities, then we have all wasted time.
Welt Hanga eriongetelo ingarakiti tunga ka Akipi ko district na boni lui moriarito Katakwi Amuria Kapelebiong serere ka Soroti nesi itegarita ko Teso erayo karro ilukunarito mna kanyauni ido ayu tunga noya Adepar.
But we know that without safe water and sanitation, waterborne diseases are really increasing. According to some UNICEF data, over 1,000 children under the age of 5 die from diseases caused by unsafe water and sanitation and hygiene every day.
Eseza Lydia apio ayaitune yapie silo Akipi kokata kui ngesia balebe elangire pone lo unitor keserio ngete narai kangini karu agilonon wejasi obajete kesi mamilo sikina keda ipudilo itunga kitira na kede ni jani kini keserio ngete.
Whereas we drilled 6 boreholes in a financial year, Waltunga gives us 20 at a go. How many years would we have finished to achieve that number?
It was so difficult. You have to move for long distances, and when you come back, you're very tired. You cannot eat in time.
Nyele mapoli epon le jautine la kipi pale mera ile patana. Nyoni ya ne anyona ne paka bila center je. Epa mera kipi. Lokani wano yalo stingina. Iya pa yangina punerore. Sumo ye kilo tidele dengtore.
Gwaketanga jerkan tono rima ya dekisi yuaina au panga gwakon adauna agogo konye lipia nga neje deke kwe deke ngara kenai ado pepa keto dikinenge deke eda ota somegilo esalta gwakina ijangete bon
Edumunelo Akipi kopekwana ko district alokata kui nese gwoi koto makaisa kanyauni kangini kwatat Kanuka TV East Alfred Atwau ko district alokata kui.